So for the sake of comparison, this is the exact same location where I shot the videos you just saw with the E4K Plus. It is the same time of day, 11:30, as many of the samples that you just saw on this video. This is the video coming out of a Motorola Moto G phone, second generation. It's an old phone. This is the video coming out of a GoPro Hero 5, the one that I got instead of the E4K Plus, and this is the video coming out of an iPhone 7. I'm not going to color correct any of this video. I'm just going to upload it as it is, so if you guys want to compare, I mean, as you can see, the lighting on just the video, just the way it was shot, is dramatic. The colors are much better, so what else can I say?